Elon Musk just dropped this shocking statement that robots will be able to replace the best human surgeons within 5 years. And here's a post in front of you of 70 plus million views. He's saying robots will surpass good human surgeons within a few years and the best human surgeons within 5 years. Neuralink had to use a robot for brain computer electrode insertion, whatever that means, as it was impossible for a human to achieve the required speed and precision. Okay, today I'm going to address what kind of innovation is happening, the benefits and challenges that we may face in relation to AI and robotic surgery. So AI in robotic surgery transforming the operating room. Based on scientific evidence and research, I gathered a lot of evidences and really research studies to make this video. So stay tuned until the end because I'm going to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this. Introduction: AI enhances robotic surgery with precision, safety, reduced surgeon fatigue, real-time analysis, and optimized instrument movements. Secondly, with regard to the growth of robotic assisted surgery, this surpassed my expectations because more than 1.1 million and quarter million procedures with Da Vinci surgical system. It's a surgical system involved in robotic assisted surgery by 2020. So that is even 2020. I would want a more updated study. The success rate is relatively good depending on which procedure was performed and so forth. AI applications in robotic surgery, if you're wondering. We have real-time guidance, tool tracking, and alert systems. Autonomous task execution like suturing, cutting via trained models, predictive analytics, because we would have some data to advance the software over time, preoperative risk assessment. Okay. Here's a case study I wanted to share about autonomous soft tissue surgery. We have the STAR robot performed a precise intestinal suturing autonomously. Okay. Uses tissue tracking and force feedback. This is from Wired. Technological innovations: haptic feedback stimulates touch for precision, augmented reality, visual overlays aid in the navigation, reinforcement learning, the multi-agent surgical collaboration. I just want to simply add that I'm a dentist, so in the dental implants world, we have something called as computer-guided implant surgery, and there's something called as static guide, and there's something called as a dynamic guide. What this basically means is just simply a safer way to do dental implants because everything is planned with 3D imaging and software to help design the dental implant in the right place and assess the bone measurements and dimensions prior to placing the implant. And to my knowledge, there's even some software that will do, for example, a simulation for the actual implant surgery procedure before even doing the dental implant surgery. The benefits and challenges, as we discussed, enhanced control and outcomes. We have reduced fatigue and complications. The challenges, of course, are going to be high costs and ethical concerns. A lot of people address ethical concerns in relation to AI and so forth. Now, there's data dependency for training models. This is another concern you hear a lot with a lot of AI models that we have available to this date. What about the global impact and future outlook? Where do we see things going in the future? The NHS doubled robotic surgeries from 2022 to 2024. The future, miniaturization and full autonomy at some point. And these are sources. I will put all the references and sources at the end. Conclude that AI plays a very important role in robotic surgery to help increase in precision, safety, and efficiency. We have autonomy, and AI will shape future operating rooms. Continued research is really critical for clinical adoption. These are the references. I'll put the references links. You can find them here easily if you want to research more about this. Just to summarize, I think AI and robotics will play an integral role in the future of healthcare. I, as a dentist, my name is Dr. Wan. I'm very proud of this innovation, and I'm looking forward for even more advanced technologies to come in the future, and for these AI models to be even more precise and to help people more. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and love to Elon Musk. Bye.